20 mule team wagon train. That's a log wheel to carry the 3 logs to probably do all these sleepers. And this was replaced, the old 20 team mule was replaced by the old dinner, 1894, just about 9 years after, by a steam tractor. And that was then traded in for this. So we got rid of the pain and suffering of the mules drawing wagons for your coal and mining stuff, and then replaced by steam. Again, you had to dig the earth to get the coal out. So much, and these equipment were used for that. So much effort. Stagecoaches to transport your engineers and leaders, team leaders, and it was replaced by this, and then the modern. How many are involved, you think, to get this operated? How many involved to get one of your trains operated with 1,500 passengers traveling at 500 kilometers an hour? Just a touch of a button, and maybe a man is also replaced by the machine. We have developed and advanced so far, yet we haven't advanced when you look at in terms of how to improve our collective union of consciousness, which is what we need now for our future and our survival.